Good morning, students. As we all know, India, our motherland, has diverse physical features. Earlier, we have read about India's different features. Firstly, we read about abode of snow means northern Himalayas. Then we covered northern plains. After that, we discussed about southern plateau region. Today, we will go through our fifth chapter, that is the coastal plains and islands. What is actually a coast? I hope the first question in your mind would be, what is a coastal plains? Yes, bache. The coastal plain. A coast is actually a vast stretch of land along the sea or any ocean. Fine. So, India has Arabian Sea on its west, Bay of Bengal on its east side, and here is Indian Ocean. Fine. On three sides, India is covered with water bodies. That is the reason that is called peninsula. We have covered in our previous chapters. So, coast is a wide stretch of land. Means this is land near the sea or any ocean or any water body. Fine. Yes. India has widespread coastline of about 7,000 kilometers. It stretches from Gujarat. This area is Gujarat. It starts from Gujarat and to West Bengal in the east. It is stretched. This is known as the coastal plains. The coastal plain of our country is divided into two parts. Namely, on west side there is western coastal plains. On east side this is eastern coastal plains. Fine. Let's go through next. We will read about western coastal plains. The western coastal plain is a narrow strip of land stretched between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. Look here, bache. The western coastal plain is a narrow strip. This is actually a narrow strip of land. Narrow. Look here. You can see here in the picture. Here the plain area which is near the coast is a narrow strip of land. Means in our previous chapter we have read about the plateau region. Here the Deccan plateau is here. After that there are mountains on both the side, on western sides and coast eastern sides also. After that there is plain area near the sea. But here the area is which is plain, that is very narrow strip of land in western side. The western coastal plain is a narrow strip of land stretched between the Western Ghat. Here are Western Ghats. We have read in our previous chapter, and this is Arabian Sea. So this is stretched between, the western coastal plain is stretched between, Western Ghats and Arabian Sea. Fine. It stretches from Gulf of Kutch. Bache, I have told you this is Gujarat. Gulf of Kutch is the district there. Fine. It stretches from Gulf of Kutch to Kanyakumari. This is southernmost area is Kanyakumari. I have told in first chapter even. This is Kanyakumari. Means the western coastal plain stretches from Gulf of Kutch in Gujarat to Kanyakumari. Fine. And this western coastal plain is further divided into three divisions. The first one is Konkan coast, the second one is Canada coast, and the last one is Malabar coast. Fine. Let's read. The Konkan coast covers the outline of Gujarat, Maharashtra and Goa. The Canada coast comprises the coastline of Karnataka and the Malabar coast covers the whole of Kerala. Fine, let's see. The Konkan coast covers the coastline of Gujarat. This is Gujarat, this is Maharashtra and this is Goa. Fine. The Konkan coast means this area is Konkan coast. Kandla is actually a river in Gujarat. Fine. And it is a port also. So this is Konkan coast. Fine. Konkan coast covers what? Gujarat, Maharashtra and Goa. Now we will read about Canada coast. Canada coast enters the coastline of Karnataka. This is Karnataka. This area is Karnataka. So the Canada coast comprises a coastline of Karnataka. This area is Canada coast. Fine. Now Malabar coast. Malabar coast cover the whole of Kerala. बच्चे this is Kerala. तो Malabar coast the whole of Kerala. Fine. Let's go through the next. Yes. Tapti, Narmada, Mandvi, Juari and are the rivers draining in the west coast. Means on its western coast, these rivers flow. Kerala, Tapti, Narmada, Mandvi and Juari. These fast flowing rivers joins the sea and forms estuaries. But what is estuary? Estuary is a funnel shaped outlet formed at the mouth of river. You can see here, when any river, small river meets the sea, it forms estuaries. Look here. Now the small rivers are entering into the sea. So at the mouth of sea, they make these funnel shaped estuaries. Fine. This is a funnel shaped structure. Okay. Now we will read about the western coastal plains, because of its broken and uneven nature, has cracks and inlets. The seawater enters such inlets and forms saltwater lakes separated by deposition of sand called sandbars. These shallow bodies of water are called lagoons. Yes, the coastal plains has uneven nature, broken nature and even has cracks and inlets. The seawater enters such inlets. The seawater enters such inlets and forms saltwater lakes separated by deposition of sand. Means sand is separated. So these deposition of sand is called sandbars. Fine. These shallow bodies of water are called lagoons or backwaters. Means lagoons are also known as backwaters. The Kerala state has more such lagoons. In Kerala, there are more such lagoons. Fine. States along the coastal plains are Kerala, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Goa, Gujarat, Dadar and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu. Hope you have understood the portion which we covered today in this video. In our next video, we will cover the eastern coastal plain, group of islands, the climate of this region people of this region and major ports of eastern and western coastal plain. See you in our next video. Till then, keep learning. Bye bye.